stop scrolling right now, because what you're about to see might completely change the way you look at vans forever. Yes, I'm talking about the 2026 Citroën Berlingo, and trust me, this is not just another boring family van. This is something different, something smarter, and honestly, something a lot more impressive than most SUVs on the road today. So sit back, because in this video, we're going deep. A full detailed breakdown of the exterior and interior, the kind of details that actually matter in real life, not just on paper. Let's start with the exterior, and this is where the surprise begins. From the very first look, the front design of the 2026 Berlingo instantly grabs your attention. It's bold, modern, and surprisingly aggressive for a vehicle in this segment. Citroën has completely refreshed the front fascia, and the biggest highlight is the new logo sitting proudly in the center. It's wider, cleaner, and gives the van a much more premium identity. The way this badge connects seamlessly into the ultra-slim LED headlights is just beautiful. These headlights stretch outward in a sharp horizontal line, making the vehicle look wider and more planted on the road. And when those LED daytime running lights turn on, the presence this van has at night is on another level. Now comes slightly lower, and you'll notice the front bumper. And this is where the Berlingo starts to show its tough personality. The bumper is chunky, muscular, and designed for real-world use. This isn't just about style, this is built for daily life. Whether you're dealing with tight parking spaces, speed breakers, or rough roads, this design gives you confidence. The lower section includes subtle air vents and design elements that improve airflow while also adding a sporty touch. It's that perfect balance between function and style, something Citroën has clearly focused on. Now, moving towards the side profile. At first glance, you'll notice the classic boxy shape, but don't mistake that for outdated design. This shape is intentional. It maximizes interior space while keeping the exterior compact enough for urban driving. And in 2026, Citroën has refined this look to feel more modern and less commercial. One of the most practical features here is the sliding rear doors. If you've ever struggled to open a door in a tight parking spot, you already know how valuable this is. Just slide, step out, and you're done. No stress, no damage risk. And then there are the famous air bump panels on the doors. These are not just for looks, they actually protect the body from scratches and small impacts. In crowded cities, this feature alone can save you a lot of headaches. The wheel design has also been upgraded. Depending on the variant, you get stylish alloy wheels that add a premium touch. Combined with the black cladding around the wheel arches, the Berlingo starts to look more like a crossover than a traditional van. Roof rails on top add another layer of practicality. Whether you want to carry extra luggage, bikes, or travel gear, the Berlingo is ready for it. Now let's move to the rear. The back of the vehicle is clean, upright, and highly functional. You get tall vertical taillights that not only look modern, but also improve visibility. The large tailgate opens wide, making loading and unloading extremely easy. And this is where you really start to appreciate the design. Everything has a purpose. Now let's step inside, because this is where things get even more interesting. As soon as you enter the cabin of the 2026 Berlingo, the first thing you notice is space. Real space. This doesn't feel like a van interior, it feels open, airy, and surprisingly premium. The dashboard layout is completely refreshed. It's cleaner, more organized, and designed with the driver in mind. Right in front of you, you get a digital instrument cluster that displays all the important information in a modern and easy-to-read format. In the center, there's a large touchscreen infotainment system. It supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can easily connect your phone, use maps, play music, or handle calls without any hassle. The controls are placed exactly where you expect them to be. Nothing feels complicated or confusing. Everything is intuitive. Now, let's talk about comfort. The seats are wide, supportive, and built for long journeys. Whether you're commuting daily or going on a long road trip, the comfort level here is impressive. The higher seating position gives you excellent road visibility, almost like an SUV. And then comes one of the strongest points of the Berlingo: storage. This vehicle is packed with clever storage solutions. Overhead compartments, deep door pockets, hidden spaces. You'll keep discovering places to store things. It's perfect for families, travelers, or even work use. In higher variants, you also get a panoramic roof, and this completely transforms the cabin experience. It lets in natural light, making the interior feel even bigger and more premium. Now let's move to the second row. This is where the Berlingo truly becomes a family champion. There's massive legroom, generous headroom, and a flat floor that makes sitting in the middle seat much more comfortable. The seats are flexible, you can fold them, adjust them, or even remove them depending on your needs. Whether you need more passenger space or cargo room, the Berlingo adapts easily. And speaking of cargo, the boot space here is massive. You can easily fit luggage for a full family trip, large boxes, or even bulky equipment. And thanks to the square shape, you don't waste any space. This is where the Berlingo beats most SUVs' practicality. Now let's talk about tech and safety. The 2026 model comes equipped with multiple driver assistance features. You get things like lane assist, parking sensors, cruise control, and emergency braking systems. These features not only make driving easier but also much safer. Parking a vehicle of this size might sound difficult, but with sensors and assistance systems, it becomes surprisingly easy. And overall driving experience, it's smooth, comfortable, and stress-free. The suspension is tuned for comfort, so bumps and rough roads are handled easily. It's not built for speed, it's built for real life. And honestly, that's what makes it special. Because at the end of the day, the 2026 Citroën Berlingo is not trying to be something it's not. It's not pretending to be a sports car or a luxury SUV. Instead, it focuses on what truly matters: space, comfort, practicality, and smart design. But at the same time, it adds style, modern tech, and a premium touch that most vans don't have. So if you're someone who values real usability over just looks, this might actually be the perfect vehicle for you. And here's the real question: would you choose this over a traditional SUV? Because after seeing everything it offers, that decision is not as easy as it used to be.